transition to renewable energy sources is an important part of DECO Australia's sustainability framework. In 2019, we invested in 100 kilowatts of solar panels across the rooftop of our DECO manufacturing facility here in Minto, New South Wales. In 2023, we installed an additional 958 solar panels to bring our total energy production to over 500 kilowatts. That's equivalent to powering 100 average-sized homes per year or planting 10,000 trees. The renewable energy produced through DECO's extensive solar system is estimated to account for approximately 60% of our total yearly energy consumption. It means we'll avoid burning 195 tonnes of coal and prevent the release of over 450 tonnes of harmful CO2 emissions. This is a significant step for DECO in reducing our carbon footprint and our aim to producing cleaner, greener building products for the construction industry.